In this video, let's discuss in detail about sets in Python. Sets are unordered collection of unique elements in Python code, meaning that every object is represented only once in the set of a Python. Let's take an example. If you are defining a value or an object inside a set to be number or integer 1, that integer 1 can be represented only once. So it must be unique. You cannot represent or load another one to the same set, that is another integer 1 to the same set. So that is why sets are unordered collection of unique elements together. Moving to the Jupyter Notebook, let's explore how you can define sets. So this is the syntax how you can define the sets. Let's write it to be my set. So this is the variable name. You can give whatever name you want right over here, and following that you can define a set like this with a parenthesis. Shift enter. I am just executing this particular line, and when I try to explore my set, I'm just going to give shift enter. You can see I can see a empty set. Now when I try to see the type of data of this my set defined using the type method, it is responded back with the type set, meaning that we have defined a set right over here. For adding an object to this particular set, you can write like the set name, that is a variable name, and following that you can use the add method for adding the object to the set. I'm just going to add the number 7 right over here. I'm just going to execute this particular line, shift enter in my keyboard. Now when I try to explore my set, it has responded back with the value 7. Now the set is not empty, meaning that it is having the integer 7 loaded inside the set. Now again when I try to add another object, let's take it to be 8, and again I am adding another object, let's take it to be 9, integer 9. Again when I try to explore my set variable, I have 3 different objects, 7, 8 and 9 inside my set. Since the response that we got right over here is having the curly braces, it does not mean that it is a dictionary, it is a set that is defined right over here. Don't take it like that. And let's explore how the objects in the sets are unique. So now let me just try to add the integer 7 again to the set, which is consisting of the integer 7, 8 and 9. And now when I try to explore my set, you can see I am having only 3 objects, 7, 8, 9, and the number 7 is not added again to the same set. But in case of list, the sequence is different. No matter how many integers that you have or how many repetitions of integers or any other data that you have, the list will be holding that data. So for example, I am just going to define a list right over here called my list, and I am loading number 7 4 times, number 8 4 times, number 9 4 times. Now when I try to explore what is my list, this is holding 12 data objects, 4 integer 7s, 4 integer 8s and 4 integer 9s. So in case of list, the objects are repeatable, but in case of sets, the objects are not repeatable. So this is the major difference between set and list. And when I try to typecast this particular my list to the type set like this, and you can see the response for this particular typecast that I have done right over here to be 7, 8 and 9. So all the repeated elements of the set, that is typecasted set my list, has been neglected. That is, these 3 7s has been neglected, these 3 8 has been neglected, and these 3 integer values 9 has been neglected, and only the 7, 8 and 9 has been represented and loaded to my list, which is typecasted to set type. So that's all that I want you to know about sets in Python for now. I hope you learned something new in this particular video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.